Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a versatile 7-bedroom, 5-bathroom home for sale. It is located at Sandside Heights in St. Mary. It sits on quarter acre. This property is tailored for both single and dual family living, featuring a thoughtful layout and modern amenities. With 7 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms upstairs, enjoy the flexibility of 2 kitchens, 2 living rooms, and 2 dining areas for separate or combined living arrangements. The downstairs is rented, providing an immediate return on investment, while the partially finished upstairs offers customization possibilities. Nestled in a quiet, upscale neighborhood close to Port Maria, experience tranquility with easy access to urban amenities. Don't miss the chance to own this gem. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292,300. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.